Now it's time to move forward to our online guest. Hello, Alexey.
Hello, everybody. Hello, Lars.
Hi, welcome. So, as Ari mentioned previously, one of the key themes in this year's European Silk Road Summit is going to be Russia. And you are working for FESCO, and FESCO is very active in Russia currently. It's intensely focusing in the country. Why is that so? What potential do you see there?
First of all, welcome from the sunny Almaty, Kazakhstan. Right now, yes, FESCO is one of the biggest transport group in Russia. So first of all, we originate from Russia. That is why Russia is our home market. Secondly, we see great potential of containerization in Russia because the rate of containerization now in Russia is about 10%, so it is 2 times less than in Europe or 3 times less than in USA. Mm-hmm. And there is a huge potential of transit through Russia. So within 5 previous years, the compound annual growth rate was about 39%, and we expect that this trend will go on, maybe in less in lower league digits, but transit will develop.
Mm-hmm. Yes, as you mentioned, transport volumes via Russia have increased during the last few years. Why is that, though?
So the answer is quite simple. The deep sea rates are now much higher than the rates via intermodal through the ports of the Russian Far East and through the cross-border stations. While FESCO is mainly working via the Russian Far East port, our group possesses the biggest Russian container port, Vladivostok. That is why our main corridor is Asia, Vladivostok, and then to intra-Russia or to Europe via a number of gateways. And this intermodal solution is now more convenient for the customers than the direct rail. So that is why so it is the most reliable corridor for now in terms of congestion and in terms of rates.
Okay. And that's why I guess there is so much focus in Far East ports currently in Russia, right?
Yeah, there is a big attention to this area. There is also congestion there, but comparing all the corridors, for now we really see that this corridor is the most reliable for now.
Now, I want to get back in one of your previous answers, because you said that the transport volumes grew in Russia, but does this growth is this growth also reflected in the rail freight market's share in Russia or not?
Yeah, for sure. The share of railway transportation and containerized railway transportation is increasing, and the cargo is moving to containers from FTL, from trucks, and which is more important, it is moving from conventional wagons into containers. So from open-top wagons, gondola wagons, and covered wagons into containers. Because you really see that on the cross-border stations between Kazakhstan and China and Russia and China, the containers are prioritized. So the priority is given to containers. That is why a lot of cargo is moved into containers. For example, we really see this year coal is moved to containers. All the ore concentrates moved to containers, as well as metals that are really new spheres, new opportunities for container shipping.
Okay. As I understand, you're using Vladivostok, the port of Vladivostok, as your main hub in the Russian Far East, correct?
Yeah, the business model of our company is intermodal transportation using our own assets on every stage of the intermodal transportation. That we have our own container lines between Asia and intra-Asia and Russia. We have the biggest port of containers in Russia, the port of Vladivostok. We have our own rolling stock of fitting platforms, and we have 100,000 TEU our own containers. So we work on different corridors. Our ambition is to be Eurasian company, but yes, the heart of our company is Vladivostok.
Okay, but since you wish to become a Eurasian company, which routes are you using currently to link Vladivostok with Europe?
We are using different corridors. We name them as solutions. Our main solution is a so-called Trans-Siberian Land Bridge via Vladivostok and Brest. We also have Trans-Baltic Bridge, which is the corridor via Vladivostok and the port of St. Petersburg, and then to ports of Europe. We have Trans-Finland Bridge, Vladivostok, then Helsinki and Europe. We have a Mongolian Bridge, which is Zaminut, so we are Mongolia, then to St. Petersburg, and then to Europe. This month we are going to start Westgate Bridge, which is Vladivostok, Kaliningrad, and then to Europe. Okay. And our customers can choose the appropriate corridor and solution basing on their geography. For example, into the inland Europe or coastal areas in Europe where the most quantity of warehouses are situated.
So the most basic, most important characteristic of your services is multimodality, basically, right?
Yes, it is multimodality. I think about 90%, 90% is multimodality. We also work in direct rail, all rail shipments, but as a second priority.
Okay. All right. Now, Alexey, you're going to participate in the European Silk Road Summit. Specifically, you're going to take part in a panel discussion about the Far East ports. What topics do you anticipate addressing mostly?
I will discuss and I will share my ideas and our company ideas about the current market, about the trends that are going to be seen in the future year. And for sure, I would like to have an open discussion with another players on the market, sharing ideas. We as FESCO, we really can say something interesting to the audience about the current situation, but we really would like to learn about how other players of the market are doing and what they are seeing in the market. Secondly, maybe if we can check and say something interesting, maybe we can discuss added value solutions and digital solutions, because we really see that it is very important in the future decade to not only arrange transport, but to be digital, to be closer to the customer, to be the quality leader.
Okay, Alexey, thank you very much. I'm really looking forward to meeting you in Amsterdam this coming December. I wish you all the best and see you in a few weeks.
Yes, Lars, so thank you very much. And I heard your discussion about Duisburg or Amsterdam. I really hope that some year you will choose Vladivostok as a city to host your summit.
That's a great.
Thank you very much, dear audience.
That's a great tip. I think we should think about it seriously. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you very much,
Bye-bye.
dear audience. Bye-bye.